stretching here. Stand up that low back.
I think I got a real bad pinch nerve. So,
Yeah. I'm gonna ease some of that tension, take some pressure off the nerves as they go out. One more here. I'm gonna bring the table down. Lower that piece just a little bit. Head to the side, a little stretch here. Same thing. Deep breath in here, we'll have breath out. Pressure. Slowly, I want you to make your way to this side, facing me this way. Start just with a stretch. Just open up the hip. And we're gonna do another stretch to help take some pressure off the nerves here. So I'm gonna bring your foot out. Nice deep breath in. Breath out. Good. One more breath in. Breath out. Good. Last breath in. Out. Good. I'm gonna have you make your way to your back. And I'm gonna start on the right side here. Table's gonna pop up underneath you. You go right knee up. Table. Table dropping down. Table up. And down. I'm gonna have you make your way to your side facing me this way. I'm just gonna out just a little bit. Same thing here, just starting with a stretch. Good. Bring your foot out again. Nice deep breath in. Out.
that's fine.
I'm gonna go slow. Just do one more here. Bend this hip back. Do a little stretch here. As you come up.
Any areas you feel like need more? Alright. Is that a little slot pad?
I'm gonna have you sitting facing the chair.
Yeah.
Does that mean?
So, yeah, you can do those if you feel ready for them.
Oh, okay.
The ones that are right next few weeks, and then the other ones are a little more advanced at the top too. But if you feel ready for
I'm
them,
gonna have you just slightly twist to your left side. Yep, perfect.
Very much.
A little bit to the back.
thank you.
We're gonna go head to the left. Head to the right. Back to the middle. Head to the middle forward. And backwards. Back to the middle. Little stretch here. Head's going to the left. And back up. And then to the right.